Morning students, yesterday we have discussed about one example Hindustan, that how its meaning has been changed over the period of time. Today we'll do the further paragraphs of that same page. Here they have written that historians, that means the people those who are uh, doing history or reading history or using the past documents, they have to be very careful with the things. That means they have to look at what time it has been written, okay, by whom it has been written, and what was the meaning at that time of that particular word of that particular language, and how much the meaning has been changed till that time. They have to take care of all these things. Like they have given one example, like for example a simple term is there, foreigner. Okay, we are using the word foreigner to someone who does not belong to India, but in that past time this word has been used to for someone whosoever does not belong to their respective village or their respective community. That person is a foreigner. Here you could see that in medieval period a foreigner was any stranger who appeared say in in a given village, someone who was not a part of that society or culture. Like in Hindi we could call that person Pardesi or Ajnabi. I'll give you one example. As you are in Kesri Singhpur, if someone would come from Karanpur, so that person would be dealt as a foreigner. We would call that person as a foreigner according to the medieval period. But now we are giving this term to those who are coming from out of India. Okay, and they also have given one example like a city dweller. That means a person who is living in a city, they will consider those person as foreigner, those who are living in the forest. And here is also written, between two peasants living in the same village were not foreigners to each other, even though they might have different religious or caste background. Now they are saying that in a particular village, like say Kesri Singhpur, if two people are living and they belong to different castes, different religion, then they will not be considered as foreigner. Only the people those who are coming from outside. Outside here means that another village or another city, they were considered to be as foreigners.